So as you guys can see, got this thing here, but I'm pretty sure I already showed it kind of on the camera. I didn't notice. Yeah, this thing is going under surgery. And like I said in the last video, I was thinking about just selling it, get rid of it, but I just can't give up on something. What I have in mind is just to have the ultimate childhood dream car garage, whatever, with certain cars, and this is definitely one of them, and the other car is definitely one of them. This is my fourth one, but I definitely want to keep that one around for a while, and I have a lot of plans for it whenever I get to it, and whenever I get to that level where I could have like multiple cars all built and stuff like that. But I can't do that until I have the space, and right now I don't have that. Here we go, y'all. Last piece of the puzzle. I had a whole bunch of other parts laying around, but I've had those parts for a while. I want to say a year now. It's October now, so around a year. Fully built motor. I'm not gonna share the setup, but if you know your stuff about Hondas, you already know. At least not yet. I'm gonna make a full video on that, so stay tuned for it. Where has it been? Why I haven't made a video on it? I got a lot of people asking me about it, but there's an update video, and we're really close to the first start. This is a lot. There's no YouTube video on it. Not a lot of people has done it, so it's taking me, some, like research and all that type of stuff, talking to different people and trying to figure everything out. But we're almost there, so thank God for that. Almost there. And this is going to be one of the most badass freaking FG2s probably out there in the streets and YouTube videos with an FG2 all motor. So it's coming together pretty nicely. Still got a lot to go, but it's like it's mainly like little stuff anyways. So let's go ahead and show you guys the car, the setup, and it's coming out pretty badass. In this video, I'm gonna explain a little bit more, like this section of the video, how to do the setup, what do you need, because there's nothing on YouTube about this. So let me give you guys a rundown of the parts that you need, what you need to do, etc. So here you go. So first things first, obviously you need a Skunk2 manifold, center feed. Once you have that, and if this is the way you want to go, this is the only way to do it. What I did, first things first, is this the water housing. I don't know if you guys can see here, is cut. So I cut it right here. So what you want to cut, it's exactly, it's this right here. This part goes on top of there, but you need to cut it, because if you don't cut this, there's no way it's gonna fit. The center feed is gonna sit flush. So you need to make sure you cut this, grind it down, whatever you want to do. And then once you do that, obviously, like, to do that, I recommend you guys take out the water housing. Just go ahead and like clean it up, take all the silicone out, redo it. Obviously, like, you want to use Honda Bond for this. And then after that, what do you want to do? The seals or whatever, like, replace that. And then obviously you need the power steering and AC relocation kit. I got one from Jack Spiner. It looks pretty good. It's pretty decent. The only bad thing I gotta say about that, no shout out to them because they didn't want to sponsor me, so they have no like instructions to know anything, so it sucks. Like, I wish I could show you guys, but if you guys need help, just DM me on my Instagram. I'll run you guys through it. But it's pretty simple. I mean, it was kind of difficult at first because there's no, like I said, there's no instructions. But anyways, do that. Once you do this part of the kit, the power steering and AC delete, obviously you get rid of the AC compressor, and then you have your alternator in the bottom now. And it makes it so much easier for you to work on the car, and obviously like change the belt and stuff like that. It's super simple. Then I also got Jack Spiner fuel rail, but you want to get a fuel rail, obviously. It has a leak right now, so I need to fix that, which I'm gonna do right now. Car's basically ready to turn on. I rewired all the injectors. Everything's good to go. Everything's tying up. You need this coolant piece. I forgot the name exactly. You need that, the block off plate, whatever, coolant. You need that. This is tight, good to go. And then obviously you need a throttle body, which I'm using right now, a J37. So this is from a TL Type S. J35 or J37? I think it's J35. TL Type S. It's OEM, straight from a TL Type S. You need to rewire, so you need to extend this plug, which I did it myself, and it's pretty simple, you know, just color to color, do what you got to do, and you're good to go. Right now, I still got you need a half size radiator. Also, you need a Skunk2 adapter plate for the Type S throttle body. So that's RBC to Ultra. That's the one you need. I got a part number somewhere. I'll put it on the description. And then after that, what else do you need? What else? Am I missing anything? No, I think that's pretty much it. That's all you really need. Obviously you need a tune. You need to do all that. And then I also have like a new thermostat housing, whatever. I just need to cut this right now, which I'm gonna do. Cut this. No, this is actually good. I need to change that battery to an OEM one. That one's a little bit too much. I don't need that. Not yet. And I'm doing all this on literally the stock ECU. Like, I have not touched the ECU at all. Stock ECU. And then fully built motor. Skunk2 manifold. Hopefully, we do 300. Or something close. Let's see what happens, though. I don't know. But yeah, let's get to work. Let's go ahead and finish this up. It's been long overdue. It is super cold, like it's snowing. Super cold right now. But we gotta work, we gotta get stuff done. So let's go ahead and start doing this right now. Alright, so I finally got the car out of the garage. This is the first time it comes out of the garage. It looks good. It looks so good. Dude, I'm happy, man. This is 3 years in the work. Well, no, not even. I've had this car 2022. I got it in July 3rd. So it's a little less than, well, I did this like in, bro, this build, this is like the third or fourth setup on it. I'm like probably like little, just this setup alone was like probably like $14,000 around there, $15,000 just this motor setup. The ones before it was around, I think all of them together, probably like all the setups that I've tried, probably like 30 something grand into it. But it's crazy. Like, I could have bought like some crazy shit, but I almost died at one of these. If you guys didn't know that, I got a video. I had a black one that I was gonna do turbo, around 700 horsepower. It was black. It was like a blacked out Civic. But yeah, I crashed it, hitting a wall, going 140. So this car has some meaning to me. Like this chassis. I also had 4. Like right now I own 2, which is this one and the red one. And before that I had another blue one, which one of my buddy has now. And then the black one that I crashed. That was my first one. But definitely, like, this is a dream come true. Like, I made the vision happen. Struggled. It wasn't easy, but we made it happen, man. And we're not gonna stop here, because once I finish this one, we still have the EG to finish. We still have the red one, which I'm considering on selling it. I'm not sure yet. But if I keep it, that one will go turbo. Maybe all-wheel drive. I don't know yet, because I'm not rich. I don't got money like that, but let's see. And I also have a car that's coming to the channel pretty soon. I don't know yet, but I just want to get a couple stuff out the way, which is this car, and I restart the EG, and then I'll go ahead and show the next car, which you guys know I'm between a FL5 Type R, FK Type R, MK5 Supra, what's the other one? GTR is a little bit more over the budget, but I could consider that maybe, depending. But one of the cars for sure I'm gonna have to sell. And then a muscle car, which I don't know yet. C6 Corvette or something, I don't know. But anyways, let's continue with this. Yeah, this is the first time the car's outside, and it looks really good. Right now it's so dirty though, it's super dirty. First time seeing the sun since, I think I put it away last year around June or July. But dude, this thing is, I can't wait to finish this thing, man. It's been a headache, but I still need to clean up a lot of this stuff and do a couple things. There's a part of me that wants to take the motor completely out and just like refresh everything, like paint it, make it nice, you know, the end, like, I don't know, man. I just want to tuck harness, stuff like that, but I'll probably save that for next winter or something. I don't know. But as of right now, it looks pretty good. I just got to go ahead and clean it up a bit, do a couple things. So let me go ahead and cut that. I need to take the bumper out. I need to add coolant. I need to do a couple other little things and then go from there. We're making dreams happen over here, y'all. All right, so I managed to go ahead and cut this up, put it all together. All that I got left to do is cover that little hole. I don't know where I put that piece at, so I gotta look for that. I think I need to plug this one up over here. All this is good to go. So yeah, basically plug this up, put coolant in the car. I don't think this plug I'm using it anymore. No, I'm not using that anymore. These little hoses and stuff like this right here, I need to plug this side up. Plug this up, I'm pretty sure, over here. I need to go ahead and fix all this wiring and stuff because I had to extend it, so I had to cut it up and do all that stuff. What else? I need to add 2 bolts. So down here, I don't know if you can see right there where my finger is at. I need to put a bolt here and then the other side as well. Tying up this one right here. You know, like, basically I need to go through like the simple stuff right now. Go through all that. I need to go pick up another battery for this car, like an OEM Honda battery. What else? Do an oil change. And then get ready to get a tune. I mean, I'm just not in a rush because this is winter time. As you guys see, it's cold as shit, so I'm not really in a rush. But I definitely want to get it turned on. And also need to finish deleting all this stuff. I could probably keep it here, but I already know this car shakes a lot, so it's going to be doing a lot of noise. Because all the solid mounts, and this thing is aggressive as shit. So yeah, other than that, I mean, I need to take all the E85. Oh, and then also I need to go ahead and finish fixing this. For some reason, there's a fucking leak, and I can't figure it out. I mean, it's not going all the way in, so I don't know. Gotta fix that. Other than that, I mean, she's good to go, man. I mean, she's ready. Just gotta go ahead and... Oh, and also need a fan. But I'm gonna DIY it, probably. See what I could do. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. This is part 1 of what's going on with the car, taking it apart, putting the new stuff on. And hopefully the next video will be, you know, go ahead and turning it on, you know, the first start, and then fixing whatever little issue it has and getting it ready for a tune. Oh, I still need to do some fabrication. So next video is going to be some fab work. So for the center feed, I need to get that fabricated. Also, the header I got fucking split in half, and yeah, I need to weld that together. I don't feel like buying another one, but I kind of have to anyways. But I'm gonna wait a little bit because the one I want is actually expensive. Stay tuned for that one because that one's gonna look dope as shit. But other than that, I mean, next video should be just starting it up and you know, getting it ready basically for tune, fixing whatever little hiccups it has. And I'm still waiting for one special thing, which is the nitrous kit. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are as hyped as I am. Like you don't see these cars built like this to this extent, all motor or nitrous or like that, especially to like this extent. This is nothing crazy. This is not like a 1,000 horsepower or whatever, or the fastest fucking Civic in the world. But I'm doing something a lot different. This is not an EK, it's not an EG. Those are really simple to do. These cars a little bit more complicated. They got a lot more stuff going on, a lot more electronics. So the ECU is funky, especially doing this on a stock ECU is kind of like, it's kind of tricky, but making it happen. So hope you guys enjoyed, man. Stay tuned for part 2. We got a lot coming. So let's get it, guys.